Can you make money by playing games? Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, and I'm going to show you how to make anywhere from $9 up to $15 in PayPal money by playing games. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on a consistent basis and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright guys, so I got a few of you that asked me actually if you can make money by playing games, and the answer is of course yes you can. So I'm going to share with you a few sites here today that you can make some money by playing games. So we are doing a little bit different today. We are having some fun and we are making money while having some fun there. Now keep in mind, you won't get rich by doing this kind of game playing here. If you're serious about making money online, there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. But for today, let's have some fun, let's play some games and make some money while we do that. Let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we're going to have a look at is playtestcloud.com. Playtestcloud.com. And you can see here, make games that players love. Playtest Cloud is your one-stop solution for playtesting mobile games during prototyping development. So when someone wants to actually test his new game that he has developed, he usually arrives to this kind of site. And you can see here, you can set up your playtest in less than 5 minutes. We let the right target audience test your game, watch and listen to videos of players playing your game. Now we are interested in becoming a tester here. So what we're going to do is right to the top, we click on the become a tester, and you can see here 3 steps. We'll send games to your email address, think out loud while you play, and you get paid via PayPal. So really easy. You just sign up here with your email, your name, which games do you like to play at least weekly. They want some kind of a feedback there. If you're on iOS, Android or some other, what country you live in. And here are of course some common questions. So how do I become a playtester? You sign up above and then you get a short unpaid qualification test which show you how to be a tester, and then you will be able to playtest. You can have a look at these common questions of course at your own pace. How much money will I earn? You can see here it can vary depending on the task required during the playtest and the length of the playtest. Keep in mind the qualification test is unpaid. Generally a 15-minute playtest and survey will have a reward of $9. Alright, so there you have your $9 by just playing the game there. And when I watched it earlier, you can actually become a playtester around the globe probably, okay, because it says that it is available except for USA, UK and Canada. So definitely worth to sign up for and be paid via PayPal here. Playtestcloud.com is the first site. The next application is actually Fish for Money. Fish for Money is available both for iOS and Android, and you can see here, download Fish for Money now to make $15 by playing a fishing game. So when I had a look at this here at Google Play, you see here all you have to do is become a fisherman and catch rare fish for money. Super easy, was really fun to play with this. So to become a fish master and start Fish Frenzy, you need to catch deep fish. One of the best fishing games you can play for free, and you get of course paid for that. So simple and straightforward. Whatever iOS you're in, just go ahead and download and start to make some money and have fun of course. And let me give you one more application. I actually could find this only for Google Play for Android, and it's called FitPlay. This is apps and rewards. You make money by playing games. You can see here there is PayPal money of course. Alright, so you can have a look at it here, the video. I'm not going to play all this, but
start earning money while playing games. The more you play, the more you'll earn.
okay, so there you see, you saw both PayPal and Amazon available, no matter what you want. You can see here if I open it up. FitPlay is simple, free of charge and tailored to your taste. Download FitPlay now for free. And it explains exactly how this works. So there you have it, how you can make anywhere from $9 up to $15 in PayPal money by playing games. Now if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Most important, there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.